Feeling sluggish and low on energy? Have you ever wondered if there's a quick way to recharge your body and mind without a cup of coffee? Imagine starting your day with a burst of incredible energy that lasts all day. Today, we're diving into the 10-minute daily yoga routine for incredible energy boost. Get ready to discover how just 10 minutes of yoga each day can transform your energy levels and set a positive tone for your entire day. Let's get started. The power of daily yoga. Daily yoga practice has been shown to significantly enhance energy levels, mood, and overall research conducted by Harvard Medical School indicates that yoga can reduce stress, improve flexibility, and boost mental clarity, which collectively contributes to a higher energy level throughout the day. By engaging in regular yoga practice, individuals can experience a profound shift in their physical and mental states, promoting a sense of vitality and balance that extends into all aspects of their lives. Incorporating a short, manageable routine into your daily schedule can yield substantial benefits. A study published in the Journal of Physical Activity and Health found that even brief yoga sessions can lead to improved energy levels and reduced fatigue. This makes a 10-minute daily yoga routine an accessible and effective way to recharge and revitalize, providing a powerful tool for enhancing daily life without requiring a significant time commitment. By starting your day with yoga, you set a positive tone that can influence your productivity and overall outlook. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Mountain pose, or Tadasana, is often considered the foundation of all standing yoga poses. This seemingly simple stance is fundamental for cultivating proper alignment, balance, and body awareness. Research indicates that practicing Tadasana can significantly improve posture, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. By engaging your core, lifting your chest, and grounding through your feet, you create a stable and strong base that supports your entire body. This alignment helps to distribute energy evenly, preventing fatigue and promoting a sense of groundedness. Upward salute, Urdhva Hastasana. The upward salute is a powerful pose that stretches the entire body, promoting circulation and energy flow. By reaching your arms overhead and elongating the spine, you engage and awaken various muscle groups, which can help alleviate stiffness and tension accumulated during long periods of inactivity. Research indicates that stretching exercises, such as Urdhva Hastasana, can significantly enhance blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, contributing to an overall sense of vitality and alertness. Incorporating this pose into your daily routine can set a positive tone for the day, making you feel more energized and ready to tackle your tasks. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Forward fold is a fundamental yoga pose that helps release tension throughout the body, particularly in the hamstrings, calves, and spine. By folding forward from the hips and allowing the upper body to hang, this pose facilitates a gentle yet deep stretch along the entire backside of the body. Research indicates that forward bends can calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and improve digestion by stimulating the abdominal organs. This pose also enhances blood circulation to the brain, which can invigorate the mind and improve mental clarity. In addition to its physical benefits, Uttanasana plays a crucial role in emotional and mental. By promoting a sense of inward focus and relaxation, this pose helps alleviate anxiety and fatigue. The act of bending forward can be seen as a symbolic gesture of surrender, encouraging practitioners to let go of stress and negative thoughts. This can lead to a more balanced state of mind and a refreshed sense of energy, making forward fold an essential part of a daily yoga routine aimed at boosting overall vitality and mental clarity. Halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Halfway lift is an essential pose in a yoga sequence that helps to lengthen the spine and create space between the vertebrae. This pose is particularly beneficial for improving posture and relieving tension in the back and neck. By engaging the core muscles and drawing the shoulder blades together, Ardha Uttanasana helps in aligning the spine and preparing the body for deeper forward bends and other poses. The extended spine also aids in enhancing blood flow to the brain, which can increase alertness and mental clarity. Plank pose, Phalakasana. Plank pose is renowned for its ability to strengthen the core muscles, which include the abdominals, lower back, and shoulders. Research indicates that maintaining a strong core not only improves physical performance, but also enhances overall stability and posture. According to a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, plank exercises effectively activate the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and external obliques, crucial muscles for maintaining spinal alignment and preventing lower back pain. Holding the plank position also engages the shoulder girdle muscles, promoting upper body strength and endurance. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward facing dog is a cornerstone pose in yoga known for its ability to rejuvenate the entire body. This inverted posture stretches and strengthens multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the arms, shoulders, hamstrings, calves, and arches of the feet. Research published in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies highlights its benefits in improving overall flexibility and mobility, enhancing circulation, and relieving tension in the spine and back muscles. Practicing downward-facing dog regularly can also help alleviate symptoms of stress and anxiety by encouraging deep, rhythmic breathing and promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Cobra pose is a rejuvenating back bend that offers a multitude of physical and energetic benefits. This pose strengthens the spine, particularly the lower back, while also stretching the chest, shoulders, and abdomen. By gently arching the back and lifting the chest off the mat, Cobra pose promotes improved posture and spinal flexibility. Beyond its physical benefits, Bhujangasana is known in yoga philosophy for its ability to energetically open the heart center, or Anahata chakra. This can lead to a sense of emotional openness, compassion, and connectedness. Research on back bends like Cobra pose suggests that they can help alleviate stress and fatigue by stimulating the nervous system and boosting energy levels. Practicing Bhujangasana regularly as part of a short yoga routine can therefore contribute to both physical vitality and emotional warrior 1. Virabhadrasana 1. Warrior I is a foundational yoga pose that builds strength and stamina while cultivating focus and determination. This pose is named after Virabhadra, a fierce warrior from Hindu mythology, symbolizing strength and courage. Research indicates that practicing Warrior I regularly can improve muscle tone, especially in the legs, while also enhancing flexibility in the hips and shoulders. The deep lunge of Warrior Y activates the quadriceps, hamstrings, and gluteal muscles, promoting overall lower body strength. Moreover, holding the arms overhead in this pose stretches the chest and lungs, increasing respiratory capacity and oxygen intake, which can boost energy levels and invigorate the body. Tree pose, Vrksasana. Tree pose, or Vrksasana, is a foundational yoga pose that focuses on enhancing balance, concentration, and mental clarity. Research indicates that practicing tree pose helps improve proprioception, the body's awareness of its position in space, which is crucial for maintaining stability and balance. By standing on one leg and rooting down through the foot while engaging the core and extending the arms overhead, practitioners cultivate a sense of groundedness and stability. This pose also strengthens the muscles of the legs, ankles, and feet, contributing to overall physical stability and strength. I hope you're feeling energized and ready to tackle the day. If you are, smash that like button and let me know in the comments. For more quick yoga routines you can do in just 10 minutes, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.